Yo, what is going on today, ladies and gentlemen? Today I have a very special video for you. We're going to be trying to climb Blizzard Mountain in a completely stock car. Well, when I mean stock, I'm going to be taking this 95 Mustang and I put snow tires on it, raise it a little bit. So let's see if we can climb Blizzard Mountain. This is a rear-wheel drive car, has about 300 horsepower, so, you know, not the best to climb Blizzard Mountain. Alright guys, we have arrived at Blizzard Mountain. There's a few things I forgot to mention. We're going to be doing this without traction control just to make it, you know, a tad bit harder. And yeah, going to start climbing this real quick. But, oh, another thing is I'm not just fast traveling. There you can see my credits are 26,991. So we'll check that at the very end, or the very top. But the reason I picked this car is because this is my car. Well, not this one, but I have a 1995 Ford Mustang, and you know, I know how hard this thing is to drive in the snow, and it's not very pleasant. So let's get her going. She's actually doing pretty good. This is actually way better than I thought. Yeah. I wonder if more power would be helpful, because you'd spin the tires more, but you know, you're not always supposed to spin the tires. Sometimes it's bad. Sometimes, you know, tire spin is good. Most of the time it's bad. So I don't know. I don't know if this less power is helping us or is just wounding us. As we go around this corner, we're gonna face the, oh crap, I wasn't paying attention. I spun out a little bit, which kind of sucks because, you know, there goes my freaking momentum. So we're gonna start up this very steep incline. Pretty sure the start is part of the climb. So let's you know, put the flipper to the gripper and see how she does. And right now she's doing pretty good. Hopefully a blizzard doesn't come in, because you know that's poo. Oh my gosh, I just freaking ran the crap out of gearing right there. We just like hit something. Oh, is it gonna? No, this sucks. I don't have enough gearing to do this. But we're actually doing pretty good. Oh, okay. We're scooting her. She's moving. Oh my gosh. There's no way this would happen in real life. I'm just saying, there's no way. Like, me driving this car, I know what it can do in the snow. I even have, you know, good snow tires and everything. But there's no way this thing, she's just cruising. It's just like, okay, we're probably burning a crap ton of gas. This isn't probably the most efficient way to go 3 miles an hour. Does it feel like we're slowing down? I can't tell. But yeah, you know, we'll get there eventually.
3 hours later.
Oh, and we are, oh, come on. Oh, we are finally at the top. Pretty sure that's the steepest incline, so I mean, I thought it'd be way more challenging than that. So we're gonna think of a way to make it challenging, or more challenging. We're gonna just finish off the climb really quick. Of course, a blizzard had to come in. Yeah, so what we're probably gonna do is ride to the top just to make sure we can do it. You know, don't get overconfident. Then we're going to try, you know, a more challenging route to get to the top, probably straight up. Oh, we are at the top. Okay, we made it down to the bottom, and now we are going to do something this car was never designed for from the factory. We're going to be going up that hill. Man, I didn't really have much faith in going up Blizzard Mountain the easy way. I really don't have much faith in doing this, but holy flames, let's see how she does. Okay, this is probably gonna be the hardest part, like right freaking here, just trying to get up. Oh, we're side hilling it. I wonder if these rocks provide more traction. Hopefully, I don't know. Couldn't tell there, but whew, let's see what she can do at 5,500 RPMs. Man, this thing is just trooping, like, wow. Crazy. You can do it. Oh, we're up to 9 miles an hour. Okay. I bet we're not probably going to be able to make it to the over the top. just because of the fact this doesn't have the ground clearance. But man, we are letting it rip. I bet this differential is hot. Could you imagine all this power just... Man, I'm glad this is a video game. Sure, it's cold outside, but you know, it doesn't really matter when you're spinning at 5,000 RPMs for like 8 minutes straight. Oh no, are we stuck yet? Oh no, we're not going. We're going 0. Shit down into first. Oh no. Okay. Yep. There's our limit. No. Oh, we're fighting back. Here's where we gotta really work. We gotta do some side hilling. Oh, let's see if we can shit that. Nope, not into second. Back into first. Oh, we lost so much momentum. Why'd I do that? Okay, we're just gonna leave it in first. Oh, we're going backwards. Now we're starting to go forwards. Come on. Power. Oh, we're starting to move. Let's see if we can get up this hill. And then whip it back this way. Is it gonna... No, it's not gonna whip. No. Okay. Okay, let's just roll back a little bit. Oh, we gotta get turned the other way. No, this is so bad. This has gone bad. Let's see what we can do. There we go. No, first. No! Oh, we rewind. Okay, we're good. Okay, we gotta go into first after we into first. No, okay. I keep missing the buttons, guys. I'm a total noob. Let's try that one again. Now first. Oh, come on. No. I wonder if we... Oh, we can hit the brakes. That might help. We can hit the brakes and then dump the clutch. Wonder if... Would second help? Okay, we just need to... Let's go over here. Come on. Come on, old Ford Mustang. I know you're like 20 years old. This is Subaru's, you know, territory. But, no. Subaru sucks. You gotta show them you can be better than a Subaru, even though you already are. Okay, yep. Yeah, we're just gonna carve this mountain out real quick. Don't mind me. Oh, jeez. Oh. Okay, we're just gonna go for the kill right now. Actually, I'm not feeling it quite yet. We still have to climb just a little bit more. Doing this inch by inch. We will do it. Oh my gosh, I feel like a superhero. Don't know whether to go for it or not. We're going 15. I still don't feel it. Okay, let's go one more pass. Just one more. Oh, this is getting so tricky. Let's just carve it right there. Let's go. Come on. All I've worked for. Oh my gosh, we made it up. Okay, now we just gotta keep her going. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Just let's go. Okay, bring her back that way. Come on, we're almost there. We are edging towards victory. Oh my gosh. Come on. I don't want to shift into second, but I feel like I need to. No, we're good. We are so good. Oh my gosh. I don't know when to go for the kill or not. I'm not feeling it. Oh no, did I mess up? No, we're good, we're good, we're good. This is like the tip of the orgasm here. Oh no. Oh, I might have overdid that. Probably. Come on. This way. Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. We're just gonna keep going like this and cut it. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, we made it. I don't even want to know what the engine temps would be. Right now it's showing in the middle. We know that's bullshit. But anyway, guys, that was super fun. We made it in the Ford Mustang. Rear-wheel drive up Blizzard Mountain. So I'll be doing a front-wheel drive version of this test too. So stick around for that.